First Lady Margaret Kenyatta wagithiaga icigo itiganite kwaraniria na atumia niguo kuhe thirikari ya Jubilee miaka 5 ya gutungatira Kenya. Umuthi mwena wa Nakuru kuria Acemanirie na atumia agikundi kia Maendeleo ya wanawake kuma icigo itiganite cia Rift Valley.
All this will be possible when on the 8th of August this year you vote for Uhuru Kenyatta as president. Tano tena.
We are saying as Maendeleo, I am not embarrassed, I have no apologies. Nafikiria Rais Kenyatta amefanya kazi, tumurudishe atusaidie.
Matogoretio ni urenda giturwa kia seneta na tigiti wa Jubilee Susan Kihika mwigite matiri na ngaja ni mehariri gucokia thirikari ya Jubilee kuona atumia nimagunikite na mifango ta Beyond Zero uria ukoragwo kirongoreria atumia makiria.
With the free maternity by the Jubilee government, tuseme we have never had such a wonderful first lady, and the only way we can give back ni to make sure Uhuru tano.
Beyond Zero campaign for the love that you have for the Kenyan women. You did not give yourself the leisures of State House. You went down to save life.
Atumia shome kumite kaunti cia Laikipia, Elgeyo Marakwet, Baringo, Kericho, Trans Nzoia, Nade, Narok, Uasin Gishu, Turkana na Bomet. Girifotera Inooro TV, jetaguo Wanjiku wa Kimani.
Sena